But really, I think this race is dodging everyone as best I can.
All right. We are live. Trucks. Darlington. First go. We got Sweet Lou here. Andrew, Texas Tea, Texas Toast, Texas Tea Bag, and Fireball, who's actually getting ready to do his race. This is my first go, so
Pit lane
here it
speed
is.
limit is 45 miles per hour. You're all clear. Stay behind the line.
I'm coming. Mine's still loading.
There's the wall.
How many laps did you do?
Coming to my first time lap now.
Oh, okay. So you made it half the
You're
track.
quickest overall.
Barely. I tried to really send her into 3.
Yeah, 3. I kind of cut down. 1, I cut down to get inside the dashed white lines to get through that weird bump that's there on entry. And then in 3, I try to get just under it to where when I come up in the middle, I'm the middle to high lane of the corner. Starting P12, right in the middle of this mess. It's weird, when my force feedback is on
Quickest overall.
and I join, my wheel is perfectly fine, but if I barely touch it, it starts moving back and forth really quickly. Okay. Just a clear look of this guy's bumper. It will most likely not be there by the end of this lap.
That was 30.8.
So Dad, when I calibrate or when I set up the H shifter, I keep it in reverse and hit done?
Yes. I believe so.
Shift. Oh, that's why. 'Cause it was unplugged.
It's going, dude. Hopefully my hands don't fail me. Gonna have to dodge a lot of stuff.
You've just done a 30.8.
It says my shifter's
That last lap was a 31.4.
It's what?
my shifter is not detected.
Is it because it was unplugged? Maybe restart the game with it plugged in.
Yeah. At least back out of the sim and rejoin it.
Your lap time was 31.0.
Afraid someone's gonna get turned to the right or hit the wall in the front straightaway and come right back up in the race line.
Oh, cool.
In the time being, it felt like I was never gonna touch the ground again.
Oh, what, you launched off the top of the banking?
No, I launched off of Dad.
Oh.
Huh.
Alright, ready whenever you are.
Yeah, hold on. That's
Oh
cool.
my god. That was scary.
Okay.
Your exit looks clear. Stay behind the line.
All right, go ahead.
How did that not bring out a caution?
Woo!
I'm shocked there's no caution from that.
Ooh, don't get underneath that white dotted line.
Car high. He's still there. Still there. He's still there.
Oop, I should have killed you.
Hold your line.
Sorry, when I had
Clear
to
high.
check up there.
I was like, whoa now.
I was trying my best not to make it 3 wide into 3.
That lap time was 33.1.
I was sliding that whole corner.
Car outside. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
Thank you. Thank you for turning
Hold
me.
your line. Still there. Clear high.
That wall is gonna be the death of me.
Huh.
Oh my god, I need to get away from these guys.
Got a car outside. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
Not much room up there, is there?
No, there's
No.
not. Especially when they squeeze you.
Car low. Clear inside.
What lap times are you running, Dad?
My last lap was a 31.7. I got some damage.
Yeah, I got damage too.
My best is a 30.5.
My best is a 31.820.
Hey, FYI guys, if you're side by side and the guy between you and the wall brushes the wall and you barely touch him, you get a 4x.
Car outside.
And I'm
Go
telling that
outside.
to you guys, not like the race.
Yeah.
Car high. Still there. That lap was a 32.1. Hold your line.
Woo!
Clear high.
Sorry about
Car
that. I drifted up the
Inside's
track.
clear.
Every time we go into turn 1, you drift straight up.
Two. That puts you 0.2 off the pace. You've just done a 32.0.
Alright. I'm gonna need a new truck.
Yeah, I'm going to the pits.
The leader has just done a 30.2. Look out for the pit speed limit.
Oh my god. You exit the corner just wrong and that's it. The shocking thing is I'm only
The leader's
15
just done a
seconds behind the
29.9.
leader.
Huh.
Yeah, my safety rating's gonna hurt after this race.
The leader has just done a 29.
The left sides were still like 98s, 97, I think, at one spot, but that's it.
Track's clear. Push, push, push. The leader's just done a 29.7. P2. Leader has just done a 29.7.
And 3 free positions there.
Currently 1.7 seconds off the leader's pace. That lap was at 31.3.
Just watch these guys just go straight in the back straight or backstretch wall.
You're now 0.9 off the pace. Your lap time was at 30.6.
Part of me is like, oh, I should dive in for damage repair, but I have track position, or I'm assuming going green white checker.
What position are you in?
Currently 8th. I was running from like, I think it was 12th to 16th in a pack for the majority of the race.
That lap time was 30.5.
Somehow gained 2 or 3 positions on that last pit stop, even though I stayed for some repair time.
How many laps is the race?
40.
Alright, that's not too bad.
In all seriousness, if you're able to at least get maybe a 15 lap run without touching the wall, I think you should be okay. I mean, I brushed the wall because I was pushing to get someone, which was stupid of me.
Yeah.
But if you guys could figure out how to be quick at least through 1 and 2, the run down the backstretch is insane. And you should easily be able to get by a few people. That's really the only place I've made my passes, was coming out of 2.
P3.
Yep, going green white checker.
The guy in front has just done a
Oh my God, I
30.2.
keep hitting the wall.
And it says 1 out of 1, so I think there is only one
That puts
chance
you
whatsoever.
1.1 seconds off the leader's pace. You've just
I
done
gotta
a
make this
30.7. The guy behind has just done a 30.5.
Wonder how Ba did.
P6.
I don't know. I texted him and John just to let him know we were on, and got nothing.
Says Ba's still trucking, so
What, on Discord?
no, on Steam it says he's trucking.
The guy ahead's last lap time is a 30.4. P8. That lap was a 31.4.
Unless he left it open from earlier.
You're now 1.4 off the pace. Your lap time was at 31.0.
Woo! I just saved
Look out for the pit speed limit.
Back out and register for the race.
Oh. Is it only? What is it? Still only 8:21?
What,
Devin,
the
that
time?
was a photo finish there, bud. I hope
Wait.
I think you got me there.
Whoa.